Well, this is the inside of my shed, and well, shed, garage, workshop, whatever. That side right there is on the other side of this pole is where I'll be bringing in a car or my truck or something to be able to work on it. And as you can see, I got a bunch of stuff. I got to clean this place up. There's the window going out. You can see my silica sitting out there in that roof tin area. Um, got a bunch of old junk in here I got to get rid of. Probably won't get rid of it though. Um, I use it for projects. Um, got some work to do. Got to clean it up, straighten it up. Got to get it to where it's easy to access stuff, things that I would need for my, for working on my vehicle. I've got some roof leaks I got to fix. Uh, I don't want the any projects I'm working on to get rained on, even though I'm inside. Turn back around this way. There's the door I was standing up. That's that inside upstairs area I was pointing out in my other video. The area that I need to fix some leaks. I'm going to tear out that drywall ceiling and the insulation that's up there and get rid of it, haul it off because it's been wet. Get this thing aired out. I have to open up those windows, put some fans in there, and just draw some air through here and get it all cleaned up. Yeah, I've got a lot of work to do out here. I gotta get it all going. I need to make it into a functional workshop where I can actually work on cars. Yeah, it's become a big mess over time. But in this area where I'm standing right now, it's plenty big. I mean, you may not be able to see it on video. I mean, be able to get the dimensions, but I could easily get a car, even a big car right in this area. And there's my door going out. And as you can see, on this side is the other side of the door. So I'll have to move at least this one shelf out of the way. That way I can open up the double doors there. So open up these double doors and be able to pull that vehicle right in here and start working on it. And yeah, one of my subscribers has been patiently waiting for me to work on that Honda that I said I was going to be working on as my project. But I've got other vehicles I need to work on too. I got, of course, my truck. I want to get my truck running again. I need to use it to haul some stuff. I mean, it runs. It just, it's got a few issues. But yeah, one of my next videos will be of me actually in here doing this. Maybe I'll do a time lapse of me in here rearranging all this, doing some work. And then one of me working on the roof to keep it from leaking. Excuse me. And of course, my fluorescent lights don't want to work. That one's not wanting to work, and that one's not wanting to work. So I need to fix those. I've got some parts right up in here for some fluorescent lights. I need to put the LED strip lighting in here. That would really brighten it up. And of course, beyond that window right there, down in there is, I guess you can see it down there through the window. That's where I've got a lot of wood stored. And I'll be cleaning that up out there. And in there is where I'm going to be putting some rabbit hutches and raising some rabbits. And then underneath the rabbits will be worm beds. That way they're enclosed, and during the summertime they won't get too hot. And I'll put some fans in there and let the fans blow on them. But yeah, I've got a lot of projects to do. A lot of odds and ends, that's for sure. Well, I'm going to go ahead and, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that light was on. But yeah, the light's on my camera. I guess it's automatic. I guess it thinks it's dark in here. But I've got work to do in here, and I'll be doing all that and getting all that done, making some videos. Give me some thumbs up. Let me know what you think. If you got comments about my mess in here, that's okay. Give me some comments. Also, if you got any ideas on how I can fix this up to be a good shop for working on my cars, let me know. And up there in that room up there behind me, right there, that's going to be my woodworking shop. I'm going to do some woodworking in there. And so anyway, talk to you later. Give me some thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think. All right, get that light out of my eye. Oh. All right, man, I've got a mess to clean up. It's okay though. Anything worth having is worth working for. All right. Let me get those fishing poles out sometime.